Hey there, beloved ones. Welcome to the retreat, your source for manifestation, self-care, and boho fun. Today, we bring you 3 full moon rituals. This month, we will be blessed with a blood moon plus a full lunar eclipse. Earth.com refers to this phenomenon as the super flower blood moon eclipse. Full moons are a wonderful time of culmination and fruition. When the moon is completely full, it's an energetic pinnacle of whatever you started when the sun and moon united during the new moon. So it's a great time to practice these rituals to really powerfully charge your manifestations. When you do rituals on or around the full moon, you are amplifying the effects of your rituals through the moon's energy and also working with the natural rhythms of the lunar cycle. Here are 3 rituals to try during the full moon. Number 1, and this is one of my favorites, is to make moon water. Moon water is water that has had time to sit under the light of the full moon and absorb some of its power. It can be used for a number of things. You can use it for bathing, for cleaning your floors. You can use it for dressing your candles, for cleansing your crystals. You can use it for helping with manifestations and powering up some of your spells. Here's how you make moon water. You'll simply fill a container with water. If you wish, you can use fresh rainwater or water from a natural source like a running river or a clean stream or even from the ocean. Place your container in direct moonlight. It doesn't have to be outside, but you can place it on your windowsill or anywhere where it will be in direct contact with some of the moonlight. Now, say an affirmation or a prayer. Really focus on what you want to use this moon water for. Focus on that affirmation and seal the jar with your intention. You want to leave your jar out in the moonlight overnight in a place where it can really absorb the light of the moon. In the morning, bring your moon water in. For best effect, try to bring it in before the sun rises. Set an alarm if you need to, but it's best to grab that moon water and bring it in before the sun rises. Number 2 is a ritual of release. The full moon is a great time to really tap into its energy to release things that no longer serve us. So to do this, grab something to write with and a journal or a notepad. Go outside under the moon and begin to think about the things that no longer serve you in your life. Once you're really focused and have hammered down on what you want to get rid of, write it down. Write it down with words of affirmation, such as, I release my self-doubt, or I let go of destructive habits. Once you've written everything down, take a few moments to visualize what your life will be like once you release these things. Whenever you feel ready, burn this piece of paper outside under the full moon. Make sure that you're burning it in a safe, fireproof container. Complete this ritual by thanking the moon for aiding you in your release of these things that no longer serve you. Number 3 is going to be a ritual of self-love. It's always a really good time to do a ritual of self-love, but it's especially powerful on the night of a full moon. So for this ritual, grab yourself a yoga mat or just some space outside under the full moon. Take with you a bit of your already made moon water from last month, or if you don't have that, take with you a bit of Florida water or some incense to help with cleaning, and also take a mirror. So to begin the ritual, you're going to do something that puts you into the physical of your body. So do a bit of stretching or yoga or maybe a bit of breath work, just something that lets you tap into the physical sensations of your body. Then you're going to use either your Florida water or your moon water or the smoke from your incense to cleanse your mirror. So wipe your mirror down with either the Florida water or the moon water, or let it be totally engulfed by the smoke of the incense. And then once you do that, you're going to hold that mirror in front of yourself and begin to stare directly into your own eyes and begin thinking of your intentions of love for yourself. Think about what it feels like to fully love yourself as you are, to fully allow yourself to be loved, and to fully align with all things that bring love into your reality. As you think on this, continue to sit in front of your mirror and gaze at yourself. Do some aligning breath work here, focusing on your breathing in and out through your mouth as you look at yourself, gazing into your eyes and holding on to your intentions. At this point, you can repeat a mantra of your choice, but something that's really going to focus in on your self-love to yourself. Words of affirmation. You can really just be very plain here. I love you. You are loved. You are strong. You are confident. You are supported. I support you. I salute you. I care for you, and I am grateful to you. I am with you always. Something along those lines, or something that you think of, something that really connects your heart. When you're finished, you're going to close this ritual by thanking yourself, giving thanks to the moon, and giving thanks to the universe for allowing you to hold yourself within self-love. All right, retreaters, I hope that you enjoy trying these rituals underneath the full moon. Please comment below which ones you intend to try, or if there's other rituals that you usually try during the full moon. Be sure to tune back in to the retreat for more rituals, more boho fun, and help with your manifestations. See you next time.